Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are preparing summer special watermelon juice. If you have not subscribed my channel, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for future videos. Hi, for making watermelon juice, ingredients required: fresh mint leaves, sugar, salt, fresh lime juice, watermelon chopped. Put all the ingredients in a blending jar with 1 pinch of salt, 2 spoons of sugar, fresh mint leaves and half lemon juice. Close the lid of the jar and blend it for few seconds. Strain it well with a spoon. Add few ice cubes in a serving glass. You may decorate it with watermelon peas. Ready to serve. Watermelon summer special. Thank you for watching this video.